Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As you know, we are traveling to Paris very soon. We're going to Disneyland and we're going into central Paris to do lots of wonderful things. So I thought when I was packing just now, just to record how we pack and what I bring along for the girls. So I'm just going to show you their scooter cases and what we've got in them. So the girls have these cases, which are, I would say, one of the best purchases we've ever got for traveling. They're basically cases, you've probably seen them already, but let me try and get it out for you. So they're basically cases, but they double up as a scooter, and we got these about, I'd say, 3 years ago for Millie. And if your kids are at the age where they're too old to go into a buggy but they don't want to walk around the airport, then I can't recommend these enough. The girls love them. They just scoot through the airport. They even have a little play on them when we're waiting around, and yeah, I can't recommend them enough. So I'm just going to show you, this is Penelope's one. She picked a penguin, and this is Millie's, a panda. They don't really have that many designs, so this was the best we could find for the girls, but yeah, can't recommend them enough. I'll just show you what we put in them. I think they retail for about £70. So I know it's expensive, but they really are worth it. I do recommend them. So let me just show you what each of them have got in here. Now, bear in mind, this is a short haul flight to Paris, so it's only about an hour and a half. So I haven't packed what I would normally pack if we were going on a long haul. Obviously, they need much more stuff, but just because they're going to Paris, they've actually picked some of their own stuff that they want in here. So I'll just show you that now. I'm just going to start with Millie's first. She's obviously a little bit older, so she likes to also have her backpack, which is this Mickey one from Zara. It's really cute. But Penelope doesn't like to have a backpack, so I'm just going to show you what she's got. In this section, she's just got her 3 pairs of sunglasses, her cap, because it's going to be very hot when we go over there. These are her gibbets for her Crocs. I'll just show you these actually. So these we actually got from Amazon. I think it was like something like £10–15 for all of these. And if you go on the Croc website, they're way more expensive on there. And you don't get to pick what you get, but as you can see, you've got Cars, you've got Anna and Elsa, you've got Pluto, you've got a lot of Disney characters. You also get a lot of Marvel, and the girls really liked these, so she carries them with her if she wants to change them every day when she's wearing her Crocs. But yeah, so much cheaper than the actual Croc website. But yeah, you don't actually get to choose, but would recommend. Oh look, there's Snow White. Snow White. Yeah, so you do get a lot of characters. So that's her gibbets. And then the other thing she had was her snacks for her and Penelope. So we're obviously, the flight's only an hour and a half, so they probably won't eat a lot of these, but we've just got little packs of Maryland cookies. These organics, they still like these. I mean, they're like baby bars, but they really like these carrot cake ones and the strawberry ones, so I still get them for them. And obviously yo-yos, got yo-yos in there. What else is in there? I think that's it. And then Sour Patch and some squashies, which is pretty much for Raoul because he always eats sweets on the flight. I just popped it into one of those makeup bags that you get from Primark, and yeah, it just keeps it all together, and she likes to carry it in her bag. So that's that side. And then if I just have a look here, we've just got their little shoulder rest. I don't think they'll be going to sleep, but they might do because it's quite an early flight. They've got their ears. We've only got 1 pair of ears, but I'm going to buy some more when I get there. We got these in Primark last year for £3, and I actually think they're really good quality compared to the ones that you get online. I did want to buy some original ones from the Disney shop, but they're sold out. So these will do for now. And then when we get there, I might just treat them to another pair. But yeah, so they've got their Disney ears. And I think that's it. She's got her Dexter, her little doll, her little teddy that she sleeps with. But in terms of her carry-on case, that's all she's got in there. And then obviously, I'm just going to show you what's in the rucksack. So in her rucksack, she has got her little board games. So this little magnetic 5-in-1 that her auntie and uncle bought her for the flight. They've actually been playing that all morning, so they'll definitely play probably a game of snakes and ladders, I would say. What else has she got in here? Obviously Millie loves dinosaurs. She's got this Top Trumps dinosaur card game. We play that all the time actually, so she'll probably use that on the flight. From Primark I got her a notepad and pen, just in case she wanted to write something. This is the cute little pen I got from Primark. Obviously lots of different colours. So yeah, I got these two together just to keep her busy if she wants to do some writing or drawing. She's got her little fidget board there. And what else has she got here? Oh, I got these, we picked up these fans from Wilkinson's. I think they were like £1.50 and they're really powerful actually. So that's a little tip if anyone needs some for the summer. Oh, I just stuck these on because these are her stickers that she has for school. And then what else she got? Oh, and then she's got her little Disney purse with some money that her nannies gave her very kindly. And that's what she's got in her rucksack. So in the front pocket, she's just got some of these like Disney miniatures. They've got Winnie the Pooh, they've got Pinocchio, Belle, Alice in Wonderland, Dopey. She just likes to take them out and play with them. So yeah, that's what she's got in her bag. So moving on to Penelope. I've just moved up to the sofa because it was a little bit uncomfortable for me down there. So she has the same. She's got some sunglasses in there. She's got her fan. She's got her purse. She did have a Disney purse, but she can't find it. Dobble. Obviously, they love a game of Dobble. She's got her Mickey ears. And then she's got a few things that she picked out. So some scented colouring in, and thought she was a bit old for Peppa, but this is what she chose in Primark when we went in there. So that's what she's got in there. Oh, she's also got a pen and she stuck a red bow in there. She's obviously wearing that to Disneyland. So that's what she's got in that part. She's got a little bag here. I think it's got all her, oh yeah, it's got all the girls' hair bobbles and stuff that I've bought them. I just like to keep them all in the one bag, otherwise they get lost. So that's her hair bobbles. In here she's got her neck rest, and oh, didn't know she packed these. She's got a box of Pringles. And also, oh, Millie should have this in her case. So we bought these in Florida. They were really expensive. They're like bubble machines. The bubbles come out and you turn them on like this. They're really cool, actually, especially at night time. And you can put them on and the bubbles come out. I'll fill that up when I get over there. Obviously, I can't put water in them now because they're going in hand luggage. But Millie's, I need to find and put that in her hand luggage too. But yeah, I told them to bring these because I'm not going to buy them anymore. These were about $35 each in Florida at Christmas. And they absolutely loved them. So hopefully we can bring them in when we are watching the fireworks. They're quite nice at night time just to have. So yeah, I'm going to find Millie's and put Millie's in as well. But yeah, that's what she's got in her carry-on. I'm also just going to apologise about my hair. I'm about to wash it after I make this video, and that's why it's in this Ariana Grande high ponytail. But let's keep moving. Can't really show you everything that I've packed because I've already packed everything away, but I'll just show you. Look, oh my gosh, I got these for the girls. How nice are they? From the Nike website. So I got these for Millie. Look how small Nella's are. Diddy. So yeah, they should look really nice with some of their outfits. So I just lay out what they're wearing in the morning. So I know it's really hot at the moment, but we are going about 4 in the morning. So I know they're going to need some jumpers because it's going to be a bit chilly. at that time. So if you see my Zara haul, you'll know that I just got her a little Minnie Mouse tracksuit. Millie is going in some t-shirt and shorts, and then she's got her Mickey Mouse hoodie, and they'll be wearing their new trainers. Also, we got this when we were going to Florida, but we didn't end up using it. We just thought it was easier to use our phones. But I think we're going to bring it this time because I've heard a lot of really good reviews. And if you're trying to make videos, apparently it's supposed to be really smooth. This is how you use it. So yeah, definitely think we'll be using that. And then it comes with a little lamp if you're filming at night time. So yeah, we're bringing that. This is the girls' case. So this is all their shoes. My mum was like, how many shoes are you bringing for them? But honestly, I just like to have corresponding shoes to their outfits. So we probably won't wear all of them, but I mean, Nella's got a red dress, so she'll be wearing these. She's got purple outfit, so she'll be wearing these. Obviously Converse just go with everything. That's their sandals. And yeah, like, you can't travel without your Crocs. So yeah, they have got a lot of shoes, but they definitely will wear them. With the girls' clothes, I always pack the outfits together. So the top will have a corresponding shorts, and all the dresses will be together. All the outfits will be packed together, so I know what they're wearing, so I can just take it out together and put it on. But that's how I like to pack it. So obviously, like, these will be going with either her Crocs or her pink trainers, and obviously I've got her red dress and corresponding shoes, but that's just how I like to pack. Otherwise you just end up packing loads of stuff that you're not going to use. So I pretty much know what they're wearing every single day that we're going to be there. So with my case, I just do the exact same thing. So we're going for 7 days. I've pretty much packed 7 dresses, some polka dots for Disney. Yeah, so I know exactly what I'm wearing. We're only going for a week, so I've just packed the bags that I need. I've put in my shoes that I'm wearing. Just got to put my makeup bag and my straighteners in there, but obviously I'm going to need them in the morning, so I don't put them in straight away. So these Primark toiletry bags, I literally buy these all the time when I go away. They're just really good for organising all your bits. And for the girls, obviously I always take Calpol, because once we were in Gran Canaria, Millie got really sick. I could not find anywhere that did anything that was similar to Calpol. We drove around everywhere and we ended up having to get a prescription paracetamol for her, which was just a nightmare. So ever since then, I've got I take these melt ones for Millie and these ones for Penelope. Obviously in most places they have an equivalent to this stuff, but I just like to have it on me. And I'm going to take this because Millie's allergies are quite bad at the moment with hay fever. I just think if I've got it, I don't have to like look around or try and get to a pharmacy. So those will be going in there. And then I've got their hair bits and stuff that I need to pack, and their toiletries. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's it. Quite a short video. I've probably forgot a few things, but I just was in the middle of packing and thought, let me just stop the video and go through what we're taking. So if I think of anything else, I'll add it to the video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Our next video will be us traveling. So see you then. Bye.